Hello, first grade. All right, we're going to change it up on you just a little bit. We're still adding past 10, those teen numbers, but we're going to add a number bond. Very interesting. Let's see how we're going to do this. Okay, so your warm-up today, something you've already done. You're very familiar with it. Look, 10 is at the top of all of your number bonds. So we can use these just like we did for that game the other day. And if I put 1 behind my back, or I could show you one, and then you have to figure out how many are behind my back. I have 9 behind my back, so 9 plus 1 equals 10, right? And then they have a 7, so I could put 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 up here, and some behind my back. Do you know how many I have behind my back? 7, let's see, 8, 9, 10. I have 3. All right, so you get to do the last 2 by yourself. Hopefully you remember what numbers to put in there. All right, let's do our try it today. 9 blocks are small. 2 are big, of course. I flip-flop these when yes, I did. Okay, well, let's do 9 blocks are small, and I made them purple because nothing is ever purple in math, so I'm going to do some purple. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Try to do them like a 7, like a 10 frame. 8, 9. Ooh, that's almost full, isn't it? And 2 blocks are big. So let's see. Let's make this block bigger, shall we? There we go. So I've got 1. Ooh, make it bigger. 2. All right, there we go. Oh, that's not as big as my other big one, is it? There we go. Okay, so I could just count them up. 9, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11. But of course, we like to do it lots of different ways. So I could remember yesterday how we moved 1 up there to fill up that 10 frame, and then we have 1 left, so we know that that's 10 and 1. That would be 11. Yes. Okay. Let's see. There is another way to do this, and it uses a number bond. So how did you find your answer this time? Probably not with a number bond yet, right? All right, we'll look at the model it. All right, so I have my handy dandy dry erase board here, and we're going to take a look at this. So they gave us the number 9. And remember, I have to write this backwards, so, 9, okay. And then it also says, because there were two big boxes, so 2 is my other number, and I can break it apart. And they want you to look at these 2. So I'm going to look at my bottom one down here, and then the number I already have. And to turn those into a 10, to fill up my 10 frame, I'm going to put this 1 right here. So now what goes in this number bond? 1 plus 1 equals 2. 1 plus 1 equals 2. So then I know that 10 plus 1, forgot I'm backwards there, equals 11, right? Okay, well, it's a little bit different, isn't it? Kind of looks pretty if you use different colors when you draw them, yes. All right. Okay, so was our way different from Model It? Absolutely, because we didn't know about the number bonds yet, did we, to turn those in to 10. Okay, now we have Boom here again. Bless his heart, I hope he's right this time. Boom says only the counters show 9 plus 3 equals 12. So he thinks that's what this is over here. I'm going to move my picture a little bit. And of course, he's got 9 red counters and 3 yellow counters. Is that right? Yep, give him a thumbs up. Okay, good. Now he's looking at the number bond one. Okay, so they've got a 9. Is that right? Yes, we have 9 small boxes. And then over here he's got 3, but they broke it up into 1 plus 2. Does this equal 10? Yes. Oh, they changed it on us. It's not the same numbers, is it? Because we did 12. So they're doing 13, or we did 11. They're doing 12. Oh my, it's the end of the day. All right, so does this equal 10? 9 and 1? Yes, it does. Does this equal 3 if we do 1 plus 2? Yes, it equals 3. So then we have 10 plus, what number's left over here out all by itself? 2. And you guys are so good at this that you know 10 plus 2 equals 12. So is this right too? Does this match this? Why, yes, it does. All right. I know this can get a little bit confusing. And you know what? This is not how your parents learned to do math. They probably did not do number bonds like we do now. So if your parent is trying to help you and they're a little bit confused, it's okay because they didn't teach math like this. I would say back in the olden days, but I know some of the parents are pretty young. So if your parent doesn't know quite how to do it and you need a little extra help, give us a call, please, and we'll help you out. So here they're giving you 9 plus 4, and look how they broke that number bond up. Do you see something we can circle to make 10? I do. Let's see if I can loop it. Can I loop it? Let's try that one. Oh, that's not a loop. Okay. And then we're going to drag it like this. Yep. And then we're going to make it clear. There you go. Look. So you're going to loop it together like that. And then, so you've got 10 plus 3 is one way to do it. And then 9 plus 4. And you should come out with the same answer for both of them, right? Okay, you've got several apply-ums today. And, of course, an exit ticket. All right, good luck, firsties. If you need any help, please give us a call or a text.